Please be seated. Bore da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning, welcome to Cardiff and to the 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw, Cenhedlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I'm the Chancellor of Cardiff University. First of all, though, Longyfarchiadau. Congratulations to our brilliant class of 2026. We'll have lots more applause throughout the morning, but we have to get off to a good start. I was a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, in the dark ages. Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, and lifelong friends and colleagues. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me, and I hope that Cardiff will underpin your lives in the same way that it has mine. Today we're going to celebrate the achievements of our students in our School of Law and Politics. Through your learning journey, you've examined the interface between law, politics, international relations, and everyday life. In our complicated world, these skills are invaluable. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious, passionate, and have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. And thank you for everything that you have brought to your school and to your university. We are very proud of you indeed. Right now, you're in this liminal state, but when you cross this stage in a short while and step outside this arena, you'll be a Cardiff graduate. Cardiff will always be your university. Wherever life takes you, we hope you become an ambassador for us and come back often. More on that from me after you have graduated. Family and friends of the great class of 2026, thank you for being here. This is a special day for you too. When your graduate crosses the stage, please make as much noise as you would like. For now, though, everyone, sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. It's special. This will never happen again. You've all enjoyed everything Cardiff has to offer, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union to swatting in the library. Now you're going out into the world, supported by this community that you have formed here. Well done to you all. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Cynwyl ap Mervyn. I now have the pleasure of introducing Cynwyl ap Mervyn. Cynwyl will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. Cynwyl.
Addysg, Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentor o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions, so scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of Institute is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortened distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Mi fyddai nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei wybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhynwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i ysgol heictod wedi'w harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau, wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb, gan I fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievement, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi ddosbarth 2026.
Shemai, hello everybody. I'm Maria, and for this past academic year, I have been your Student Union President at Cardiff Students' Union. Congratulations and Llongu Fachiadau. It is a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community that you have built along your way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something that is truly to be proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope that you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this may have been your first time moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or even Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story. And no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether that was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee around Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience that you've developed and the memories that you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter in your life, and we wish you all of the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongu Fachiadau, class of 2026. Congratulations.
Bore da iawn I chi gyd. Very good morning to all of you. Fy enw I, my name is Professor Damien Wolford-Davies. I am Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. And I'm delighted today that my job is very simple. It is to warmly welcome all students actually to receive their award. And that's the part of the ceremony where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Ac ar y degau fel hyn, wrth gwrs, dyma yn wir swydd o'r byd. My colleague, Professor Orfan Khalik, has already mentioned this, and he's done it very, very well. I'm going to just re-emphasize. Please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping or cheering, and a word of advice. Or rather, should we reach a little understanding between us? Let's make it loud. Let's make it creative. Let's make it joyful. And I want to hear sounds not yet emitted by the human voice box. Do we understand each other? Also, this is really important. Can I ask you to keep the clapping up? You need to be resilient. It's a long and joyful ceremony, but keep the clapping up as you, if you can, because that is the confidence-inspiring accompaniment to every single graduate's transit, if you like, across the stage. So I'd be very grateful if you were to do that. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, a little magic happens. They will be asked to stand. And it's our tradition for me to speak in what is my own first language, Welsh, to receive each group of graduates to their awards. Of course, ni fydd angen unrhyw esboniad ar y Cymraeg yn eich plith chi, of course. The Welsh phrase I will use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. So you'll hear it in Welsh. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. And then I will say the magic word that Laura has already said a number of times, llongyfarchiadau. And I will emphasize that, and that is that magic moment at which eruption happens. I now introduce Professor Duncan French, head of the School of Law and Politics, who will present the students for their awards.
Croeso bawb. I, Professor Duncan French, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Connie Martha Eve Archer. Annabelle Elsie Cox. Oscar Donald Paget Dewhurst. India Kate Emery. Dudley David Frost. Ewan Andrew Henderson. Aidan Isaacs. Lucinda Felice Marsh. Chloe Louise Monio. Eleanor Page. Lars Christian Roberts. Ned Hardy Stock. I, Professor Duncan French, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economic and Social Studies. Daniel George Abel. William Sean Adlam. Fatma Al-Lawati. Hamza Wabsi Jamsi Al-Seed. John Robert Archibald. Adam Sadiq Ashgar. Carwyn Rees Atford. Oliver Merlin Bailey. Flora Esme Barker. Michaela Sheridan Barry. Daisy Sasha Barton Gilhaney. Oliver George Harry Bate. Jake Cameron Bailey. Claudia Gwen Beckett. Eleanor Isabella Bennett. Oliver Jack Boswell. Edie May Bulcott. Mariam Yeto Buyuramon. Jake Edward Bowe. Amelia May Bowring. Adam Patrick Bowman. Thomas Albert Bradley. Thomas Samuel Evan Bridgewood. Charlie Michael Brown. Olivia Grace Burke. Natalie Imogen Brown. Max William Clifford Burgess. Phoebe Ann Butcher. Lydia Ruby Byrne. Finn Walker Cairns. Emily Rose Caldwell. Alexandra Nell Carradine. Josine Evie Carr. Liam Roy Carroll. Molly Ann Carter. India Alexandra Florence Castle. Megan Janet Chaplin. Brendan Peter Paul Chitty. Karen Tom Chave. Tasneem Chetty. Dylan James Chilcott. James Edward Clapworthy. Thomas Michael Hender Coath, Elliot Reese Cooper, Simon Jonathan Corkill, Samuel James Corrigan, Anna Lenka Crichton, Mia Grace Cronshaw, Edward Cross, Thomas Rees Kunnick, Amy Cunningham, Imogen Verity Curtis, Phoebe Alice Jane Curtis, Anders Gedford Herod Dale, Anisha David, Frederick Rees Davis, Benjamin Oliver Atom Deutsch, Sylvester DeRoba, Max David Edward Douglas, Samuel John Dove, Matthew Graham Driscoll, Abdul Hakim Saheed Ibrahim Jula, Orla May Duncan, Erin Rose Dunn, Dominic William Hamilton Eland, Tobias Charles Eden, Samuel Brian Edmund, Katie Jane Edwards, Lujay Mohammed Fakri Elisa, Samir Salah Al-Gudua, Iman Al-Magrisi, Oliver David Engel Hill, Alicia Escalante Ruiz, Abigail Catherine Evans, Ellen Haff Evans, Joseph Michael Evans, Grace Jane Fairweather, Chloe Marie Feist, Eleanor Rose Foster, Kayla Rose Fox, Mohammed Fuad, Ethan Oliver Fury, William Michael Golding, Grace Megan Gooch, Lauren Freya Grattage, Ruby May Green, Julian Gregory Judd, Tallulah Bell Klimek Grundy, Charlie Ray Gunson, Lily Truslove Hafbury, Joseph Nicholas Hawkins, Oliver James Heel, Ruby Elizabeth Hickey, Austin Conrad Hill, Finlay Hunter Hillcoat, Joseph Fernley Hinks, Joshua Thomas Hockin, Poppy Hodgson, Emma Claire Hollins, Emily Diana Holroyd Smith, Leo Anthony Hopgood, Faith Poppy Hughes, John Samuel Human, Eva Huntley, Ella Bethan Hutchins, Kawusa Allah Talib Isa, Elena Mia Jackson, Harriet Deanna Kenyon Jackson, Oliver Alexander Gareth Johnston, Lily Grace Bethan Jones, Sarah Haff Jones, Liam Michael Kane, Ben Kelly. Evelyn Sarah Kennett. Itsam Omar Khalif. Claire Madeline Anne Lafond. Evelyn May Lee. Maya Lees. Freya Louise Leighton Jones. Oliver Hugh Lester. Harry Oliver Lightfoot. Arthur Frederick Lilly. Amy Elizabeth Linder. Lulu Ivy Linwood. Talila Rose Lovegrove. Alula Maiding. Lucy Ann Manley. Ben Matthews. Aisha Mayhew. Maisie May McEwen. Benjamin Richard McKay. Thomas Mark McConey. Diana Mira Salguero. Max Mizuki. Isabel Louise Price. Samuel Edward Hugh Metcalf. Patrick Daniel Middleton. Ben Robert Minter. Nikita Mittal. James Havilah Moberly. Ashley Rose Morrow. Carlina Merniet. Amy Jane Murrow. Alexander William Naylor. Lexi Ruth Nichol. Amelie Gwen Noble. Salman Samir Omer. Philippa Owen. Finn Thornton Page. Pavlos Panatonis. Charlie Parks. Jessica Amy Patterson. Morgan Gwynn Patman. Robin Annabella Rose Paul Jones. William David Price. Paddy Fleer Price Evans. Grace Price Jones. Charlie Sebastian Podyfoot. Harry James Radford. Raylyn Radley. River Zion Reith. Hugo William Richardson. Jack Thomas Lafredo Robinson. Eva Roslyn Roja Sweetland. Malek Roustay. Amelia Indigo Ross. Scarlett Georgina Rucker. Lucas Russell. Megan Elizabeth Ryman. Keeza Singh Samra. Ewan James Edward Sanders. William Francis Scott. Sahisha Sharma. Alfred Thomas Shaw. Finley Thomas Sheen Smith. Rebecca Josie Shepherd. Benjamin George Simon. Owain Sean. Tara Ann Ella Surigenji. Donald Patrick McScreeney Slattery. Jonah Benjamin Sleeth. Adam James Smith. Benjamin Thomas Smith. William Francis Smith. William Jacob Staples. Philippa Eloise Stevens. Ronald Stradlin. Benjamin Charles Hillier Strathmore. Max Joseph John Sullick. Charles Eason Taylor. Emilia Kerris Taylor. Fionn Rose Thomas. Leah May Thomas. Michael Thomas. Louis Dillon Tickeram. Liam Joseph James Tippler. Louis Torch. William James Torrevell. Seb Luke Turnip. Zainib Umatia. Jivan Singh Viring. Owen James Wakeford. Tatum Kathleen Waller. Emer Michelle Walsh. John Edward Walsh. Ethan Jed Walton. Ella Ward. Samuel Joseph Ward. Malachi George Watson. Connor Robert Douglas Welsh. Daniel Edward White. Harvey Whitehead. Oliver Peter Whitmore. Elizabeth Mary Whiten. Levy Mark Williams. Luca John Sanderson Williams. Stephen Kai Williams. Karenza Isabel Woodward. And Harrod Elizabeth Worsley. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Everybody did really, really well. Stamina, good. More of that. You'll need more of that. Stamina, good. And we work at fine margins in Cardiff. That is a longer runway than people think. And the top of the mortarboard, which is this, is a bit higher than you think. We're into the realms of philosophy. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. A wnaeth yr rhai sy'n newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Esterwch, please sit.
I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Mahir Al-Inizi. Mireya Gamziz. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Zuhal Aylan. Jordan Leigh Carpenter Harris. Rin Chen Jigme Chowden. Holly Isabella Cole. James Ethan Flynn Cumberworth. Daniel Reese Davies. Melissa Jane Driver. Eleri Ann Evans. Chloe Frances Griffiths Woodward. Nurul Firzana binti Haji Muhammad Habib Nuha. Jessica Chloe Langan. Morgan Sophia Young. Salma Megag. Maya Panisar. Maisie Ann Phillipson. Megan Sarah Playard. Abby Mary Powell. Corinne Cynthia Elizabeth Pritchard. Jasmine Samantha Rushmore. Emily Tadman. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the graduate diploma. Joseph Bowden. Hugo George Caldecott. Layla Cutmore. Theon Entley Davies. Lucy Deed Ross. Simon Dunphy. Joshua Etoff. Charlotte Louise Elsmore. Megan Francis. Danny Garcia. Darcy Elizabeth Haynes. Katie Louise Hannafin. Ruby Ivona Hughes. Maliha Ayesha Ismail. Sumaya Jilani. Emily Jane Jones. Priya Kanani. Griff Lloyd. Iyat Mutug. Theon McNamee. Hafizatullah Khaira binti Muhammad Aris. Nuya Mohindru. Abdul Rasul Rastamojin Ugli Ulimov. Sophie Olive. Kaylin Osborne Barnes. Rodri Cleed Vipond Owen. Beth Radley. Isabel Jane Randall. Maddie Rolls. Hannah Rowlands. Lee Shotton. Charlotte Skinner. Daisy Tipping. Elena Chukova. Philip van der Breen. Tegan Watkins. Ellie Bethan Young. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Sara Asi. Teiwo Badmas. Jessica Elizabeth Bennett. Bethan Elodie Brain. Benjamin Bullock. Eleanor Darby Christie Brown. Sean Kerris Connolly. Holly Deeney. Marcia Graysel Dumalong. Genevieve Jemima Gunn. William Harry. Caitlin Hart. Mohammed Rakib Hassan. Ella Josephine Helms North. Reese Wynne James. Ewan Johns. Jessica Megan Jones. Mari Jones. Ben Kitchener. Isabella Barbara. Connor MacDonald. George Muttard. Joshua Neck. Matilda Pike. Alex Brossard. Joseph Grant Rogers. Katie Ruddock. Sky Laurent Sainsbury. Catherine Thomas. Joseph Thomas. Samuel Thomas. Luke Tonkinson. Chris Jose Vargaisi. Matthew Winfield. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Laws. Opeyemi Adibanjo. Paris Andrews. Malik Sohail Anwar. Nicole Sarah Apukutan. Muhammad Hassan Asif. Samuel Ortherson Ness. Megan Barber. Ellie Bainton. Richard David John Bassindale. John Rees Bisham. Jacoby Best. Rhiannon Bevan. Lydia Ann Blair. Cameron Booth. Faye Boughton. Mahalia Elise Bramble. Harry Salisbury Berman. Sita May K.V. Wilcox. Seren Jane Chamberlain Davies. Prabita Chandi Ramani. Gayatri Chandra Sekharan. Maisie J. Shanging. Jasmine Chua Shi Ting. Jeremy Chua Shi Ji. Jessica Alexandra Ferreira Cruz. Samuel Day. Madison Iris Darlington. Morgan Davis. Abhishek Dev Rukar. Chinmaya Sanjay Desai. Holly Dodson. Neem Driscoll. Ewan Rhys Edwards. Leah Edwards. Megan Elliott. Ben Evans. Lydia May Evans. Hareem Faisal. Daniel Rees Fitzgibbon. Bethany Fox Lang. Sophie Furnival. Angel Gallimore. Dexter Gamage. Shuan Ir George. Marie Chandrine Gerald Raymond Suresh. Arisha Gori. Sebastian Gibson. Tara Gilbert. Rishika Girijan. Tripti Goyal. Olivia Guy. Finn Christian Halliday. Grace Haymard. Noor Hamad. Iman Hashmi. Charlotte Hewitson. Gabriel Hill. Eleanor Rose Barry Hing. Joseph Hokard. Hannah Charlotte Hughes. Isabel Wendy Hutton. Irtiza Jaffrey. Ifulua J.C. Rhiannon Rebecca Sophie James. Caitlin Dalton Jenkins. Holly Jenkins. Ellie Kate Jones. Kate Jones. Lily Jones. Rachel Seren Jones. Sophie Elizabeth Jones. Tegan Alana Jones. Ayana Kareem. Holly Kelly Brown. Amber Mia Kendall. Isabella Hope Kennedy. Hayat Khair El Sid. Elif Kilic. Katerina Tan Kolosekar. Natalie Liu Zhuang Singh. Henrietta Lin. Pamela Makanaka Matsika. Neve Emily McCarthy. Ella McConkey. Luke McDonald. Amber McGrath. Kate Millinship. Elizabeth Morris. Macy Fionn Morris. Adam Newman. Cecilia Grace Obese. Holly Owen. Yeles Oskaya. Harry Partridge. Kate Phillips. Libby Randall. Sunidhi Rathod. Katie Reardon. Becca Haffreys. Joseph Reeves. Alice May Rodaway. Catherine Roy. Kathy Rumbelow. Joanna Sakadas. Archie Patrick Sanders. Sominathan. Okay. Yashodaran Sominathan. Bhavishya Shakya. Ella Shaughnessy. Jack Shuring. Harry Shields. Harry Shaw. Ayesh Varia Shyam Sundar. Rajpreet Kaur Sond. Aoife Mary Stoner. Balvasha Binti Sultan. Alicia Zahid Taj. Binita Tamang. Tsung Kaitan. Amira Tariq. Caitlin Taylor. Katie Louise Taylor. Harshit Thakur. Evan Thomas. Tegan Thomas Walters. Alex Donato Tinelli. Jacob David Tully. Simon Tumvesigi. Hannah Amy Turner. Maggie Webb. Imogen Amelia Homewood Whitehead. Cyril Walmsley. Emily Catherine Yanez. Genyasha Zivonera. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Cymeradwyaeth wych, da iawn chi. Some unearthly cries from over there. Well done. More of this, please. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sy'n newid groesi'r llwyfan sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddid I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Chinola Udumele Bob Osamar. Dr. Tegan Lily Harrison. Dr. Dimitrios Nikiforos. Dr. Jinapat Pengno Rapat. Dr. Hedith Mai Philip. Dr. Jihan Burak Sanjak. Dr. Charlotte Wright. Dr. Abdul Rahman Samir Zimo. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
You've been very good when the degrees have been stated. A little ripple goes, ooh, this is quite right. A wnaeth y myfyrwyr hynny sydd newydd groesi'r llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to behind me as well. Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Orada Bawb, good morning everyone. Pat Young Dwi, Cydairith, Kingo Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Pat Young and I'm the chair of the university's governing body, the University Council. I myself graduated from Cardiff University in 1987 and I add my congratulations, congratulations to the graduates today. Well done. Now, it's my privilege to introduce our alumni speaker, Karishma Purura. Karishma is a Cardiff graduate and a senior dual-qualified solicitor and barrister, specialising in product liability, medical devices and commercial disputes. With 20 years of experience She has advised leading international manufacturers and pharmaceutical companies on complex cross-border matters. And alongside her legal work, she is co-chair of the Hogan Lovells Cadwallader Multicultural Network and a strong advocate for mentoring and inclusion. We are delighted to welcome Karishma today to share some congratulatory words with you. Karishma.
Burida, standing here today, I can imagine how you're feeling. Proud, relieved, perhaps a little uncertain about what comes next. First of all, congratulations. This is not just the end of your degree, it is the beginning of something much bigger, even if you can't quite see what it is yet. As a Cardiff alum, it is a real privilege to stand here with you today. I once sat exactly where you are now, ambitious, a little unsure, but ready to take that next step. When I graduated, I thought I had a plan. But if there's one thing life has taught me, it is this. The most meaningful journeys are rarely the ones that go to plan. My career as a lawyer has taken many turns, some deliberate, some unexpected, often stepping into situations where I wasn't entirely sure I was ready. And it's not just my career that has tested me. At home, I've been part of what feels like the longest building project ever. 16 years and still not quite finished. It hasn't just been bricks and walls, it's been pressure, uncertainty, and moments where it would have been easier to give up. But I didn't. Because the difficult moments are the ones that shape you the most. Somewhere along the way, I learned something I now try to live by. You don't wait for life to be perfect to start living it. You choose to live fully anyway. So my first piece of advice is simple. Don't be afraid if your plan changes or if you don't have one at all. Very few people end up where they first thought that they would. What matters is how you keep going when things don't go your way. The second thing I've learned is about curiosity and courage. We are living in a world that is changing faster than ever. Your degree has given you an incredible foundation, but it's just the beginning. Stay curious, keep learning, say yes to things that stretch you, because growth doesn't happen in the easy moments. But alongside ambition, there is something even more important: kindness. In every career, people remember not just what you achieved, but how you treated others. Be the person who supports, who listens, who lifts others up like your family and friends have done for you. And finally, remember this. It is easy to feel that everything depends on getting the next step exactly right. But life isn't about getting everything right. It's about showing up, learning as you go, and building a life that feels meaningful to you, not just one that looks good from the outside. You are stepping into a world of possibility. I hope you step into it with courage, with curiosity, and with the determination to keep going whatever comes your way. Because if you do, you won't just find your path, you will build one that others will be able to follow. And as they say here in Wales, go out there, live it fully, and make it lush. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much, Karishma, for that brilliant advice. Stay curious. The difficult moments are the ones that shape you the most. I hope you'll carry that with you. Llongyfarchiadau, dy hun ran o gymuned cyn fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Gaerdydd. Congratulations. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out, and I can tell you from watching the shoes that went past me that this is a particularly outstanding class. Some of you will go on to be high profile, some of you will be more low-key, well-informed contributors to your communities. You'll find your own path, but I know that you'll make a difference. Virginia Woolf is my favourite author, and she said it best. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. Cardiff has given you more than a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of AI, you have real intelligence, critical thinking, and it will stand you in good stead. There's a Welsh word, hiraeth, which is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you develop that sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, we want you to come back here often and tell us what you're doing. Tell us about the highs and the lows. And on Friday night, more than 1,000 alumni will be back here in Cardiff under the same tents at Graduation Gardens that you're going to for our first ever big reunion weekend. I want our alumni community to be a social and professional network which is with you forever. Cardiff is forever, not just these 3 years. So I'm inviting you, the great Cardiff class of 2026, to come back here next July for our second big reunion weekend. You're welcome every year after that, but please come back in 2031, the 5th anniversary of your graduation, in 2036, your 10-year reunion, so on and so forth. I hope you'll be back here in 2076 for your 50th reunion. I won't be here, but have a great time. So to that end, please volunteer, put yourself forward as a class of 2026 ambassador and help organise next year's reunion and your 50th too. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition we have to uphold. While today is about your achievements, the graduates, you didn't get here by yourself. You're surrounded by your loved ones who helped you along that journey. So graduates, on your feet. It's your chance to say thank you. Let's hear it, a round of applause for your loved ones who got you to this place. Louder. Very nice. I'm going to say hello to my mum who's up there too. Mum, thanks for everything that you did. Nothing like a mum, a dad or a loved one. You can be seated now. Longyfarchiadau e cri Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations to you, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebrations, we have a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves. Thank you for joining us today. And one last time, Longyfarchiadau to the Bendigedig, the fantastic class of 2026.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at 18. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Mae'r seremoni hon wedi gorffen. Defnyddiwch yr allanfa agosaf wrth adael yr arena wrth i ni baratoi ar gyfer y seremoni nesaf. This ceremony has now ended. Please leave the arena using your nearest exit as we prepare for the next ceremony.